Hello, welcome to Texas Style Cuisine. I'm Chef Johnny. Once again, we're back inside of my classroom making sausages. And what kind of sausage are we making today, guys?
Chicken sausage, roasted garlic, and feta cheese.
All right, so we got some feta cheese going to go in here, some roasted garlic. And I tell you what, I think this is going to be a good one. So stick around and see how it turns out. To get started here, we're going to start putting our seasonings in on our 4 pounds of chicken, skin on chicken. And what's going to go in there?
1 teaspoon of black pepper.
Tablespoon of black pepper. Okay, what's next?
1/4 cup of onions.
Small dice, right?
Yes.
All right, there we go. What's going in next, Ryan?
1 tablespoon of olive oil.
All right. What we got next?
Then 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar.
All right, your oregano, 2 tablespoons.
And 2 tablespoons of kosher salt.
All right, last thing we're going to put in is the lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now we'll start mixing that together real good. Who's going to mix that together for us? Okay, you got that mixed good together?
Yes.
All right, we're going to dump in our feta cheese, and we just have some feta cheese crumbles. We're going to put that in with it. And this is 10 ounces, 2 5-ounce packages. Now, that's everything. The only thing we're not going to put in is our roasted garlic. We have 3 heads of garlic that they cut the heads off, covered them with olive oil, and they put them in the oven wrapped up in foil, and they let those roast for, how long did they let them roast for?
20 minutes.
About 20 minutes, so they're nice and roasted, and we're going to add those along as we're bringing the chicken through the grinder. Our grinder has actually been in ice water, so it's nice and cool, and we have our bowl we're going to catch everything in. It's sitting in an ice bath also, so we keep everything nice and cold. And every once in a while, put in a little garlic, right? Add a little bit of garlic in there. All right. Okay, got it done. Everything's through. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're just going to toss it a little bit more just to mix it. Make sure that that cheese and that garlic gets thoroughly mixed in. First thing we're going to do is put our casing on to the horn of the stuffer. And these casings have been flushed out with fresh water. Slide them onto our stuffer. All right, now let's load up our stuffer with our chicken. All right, there we go. Stuffer's ready to go. We're going to lower down our stuffer right till it kind of touches the meat, and we're going to bring it out to just a little bit of pressure and bring it out to the end of the horn. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my casing and we're going to tie a loop in it, and then I take my tag in, I put it back through the loop and pull it tight. That way it can't come off. Then I just take my little pricker, poke a hole in it, that'll let the air out. Now we can get started making sausages. So to get started, we don't move too fast in this casing. It's real tough. It'll hold a lot of pressure, but we don't want it too full. So what we're going to do is just kind of stay a steady speed, just like that, and make a nice full sausage, but not so tight that it would burst it. Okay, Ryan, you want to start cranking? Christian, you want to do this? Just let it come off gradually. Too fast, too fast, too fast. You want to fill that up? All right, come on, Ryan. Stretch it nice and tight. But Remember, we got to twist it here in a minute to make our thing. All right, there we go. Made it to the end. Let me help y'all guys out here. So all I'm gonna do is pull off a little extra, tear it off. There we go. And we're just gonna tie a knot at the end of our sausage. And with this sausage, I think we're gonna tie in some nice big links. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use my pan for a measurement. We're gonna go right there, squeeze it. Link to my pan, squeeze it. And all I have to do is swing that forward. There you go. Next sausage. There you go. I'm gonna swing it backwards so I can make some nice loops of sausage just like this. Go ahead and move out of the way. Thanks for stopping by Texas Style Cuisine. I hope you enjoyed our video today. I hope you like these guys making their chicken with roasted garlic and feta cheese sausage. If you did, go down there and give us all a big thumbs up. We'll appreciate that. Remember to subscribe my channel and click that bell so you get notified every time we get a new video up. Share us with your friends and family. Share us on your social media, and we'll see you down the road on Texas Style Cuisine. There you go. Say it.
Texas style cuisine.
Texas Style Cuisine. We'll see y'all down the road.
Sitting by the wagon when the sun come up this morning, baking eggs and coffee, biscuits and beans. Cookie strikes the bell and he rings the world a warning. How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.